Picture pulling up in a car that looks quiet, elegant, and seriously expensive, the kind people assume costs $50,000 or more. The doors close with that solid Lexus thunk. The ride feels smooth and effortless, and the cabin still feels like real luxury. But the price? Closer to what many people pay for a used economy car. That's the strange magic of Lexus depreciation. While many luxury cars become expensive headaches as they age, certain Lexus models turn into some of the smartest used car buys in America. Built by Toyota's luxury division, many of these sedans are known for smooth V6 engines, overbuilt engineering, and the kind of reliability that owners regularly push past 200,000 miles. In this video, we're looking at 5 Lexus models that still feel truly expensive from behind the wheel. Quiet, comfortable, and packed with luxury touches, but today can cost surprisingly little. We'll cover the best years to buy, what engines last the longest, and the things smart buyers always check before purchasing one used. When people talk about the smart luxury buy in the used market, the Lexus ES 350 is usually one of the first cars that comes up, and it's easy to understand why. This is a mid-size luxury sedan that originally sold for around $38,000 when new, but today many clean used examples can be found for well under $15,000. Sometimes even close to the price of a basic used Toyota Corolla. What makes the ES 350 feel expensive is how incredibly quiet and smooth it is on the road. Lexus tuned this car for comfort above everything else. The suspension absorbs rough pavement effortlessly, the steering is light and relaxed, and the cabin insulation is excellent. Even after 10 years, many of these cars still feel more refined than brand-new economy sedans. Under the hood is one of the biggest reasons this car is such a safe used purchase. The 3.5-liter V6 2GR-FE engine. It produces 268 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it's widely known as one of Toyota's most durable engines. With regular oil changes, it's not unusual to see these engines go 200,000 to 300,000 miles without major internal repairs. Inside, the ES focuses heavily on comfort. You get soft leather seating, real wood trim, a large center display, dual-zone climate control, and extremely comfortable front seats that are perfect for long highway drives. Lexus also paid attention to ride quality and cabin isolation, which is why this car often feels closer to a luxury cruiser than a typical mid-size sedan. But like any used car, there are a few things smart buyers should check. On higher mileage examples, water pump seepage can appear, and some owners report minor dashboard rattles as the cars age. Neither issue is usually catastrophic, but they're worth inspecting before buying. Also make sure the transmission fluid has been serviced, even though Lexus originally labeled it as lifetime. The sweet spot years for this generation are generally 2014 through 2017, after Lexus refined some early production details and improved infotainment reliability. These models strike the best balance between price, technology, and long-term durability. Who is this car perfect for? Someone who wants a quiet, comfortable daily driver that feels far more expensive than it costs. It's not a sports sedan, and it's not trying to be one. Instead, the ES 350 delivers something many buyers actually want more: effortless luxury and proven reliability for a surprisingly low price. And the next Lexus on this list takes a slightly different approach to luxury, because it adds something many drivers miss in modern sedans: rear-wheel drive. If the last car was about smooth comfort, the Lexus GS 350 is where Lexus proves it can mix luxury with real driving dynamics. This was Lexus's answer to cars like the BMW 5 Series, but with one huge advantage: long-term reliability. When new, the GS 350 typically sold between $48,000, yet today many clean used examples can be found between $14,000, which is remarkable for a mid-size luxury sports sedan. What immediately makes the GS feel expensive is the balance between comfort and precision. Unlike the ES, which is front-wheel drive and tuned purely for comfort, the GS is rear-wheel drive, which gives it a more planted and confident feel on the road. The steering is tighter, the chassis feels more athletic, and yet it still delivers the quiet, composed ride Lexus is famous for. Under the hood sits another version of Toyota's legendary 3.5-liter V6, the 2GR FSE, producing about 306 horsepower. Power goes through an 8-speed automatic transmission in the RWD models, which helps the car feel both smooth and responsive. It's quick too, 0 to 60 mph in around 5.7 seconds, which is impressive for a luxury sedan known more for reliability than performance. Inside, the GS feels properly upscale. You get high-quality leather, aluminum or wood trim, a large Lexus infotainment display, heated and ventilated seats, and one of the most comfortable driving positions in the segment. In F-Sport models, you also get sportier seats, adaptive suspension, and a more aggressive design, making the car look much more expensive than what many used buyers will pay today. In terms of reliability, the GS 350 has a strong reputation. The V6 engine is extremely durable, and many owners report 200,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. However, there are a few things to watch. Some early models experienced infotainment touchpad glitches, and on higher mileage cars you may see normal suspension wear like control arm bushings or shocks, which is typical for any sports-tuned luxury sedan. The sweet spot years are generally 2015 through 2018, when Lexus updated styling, technology, and refinement. These models tend to offer the best combination of reliability, modern features, and used market value. Who should buy a GS 350? This is perfect for someone who wants a luxury sedan that still feels engaging to drive. You get the prestige and comfort of a Lexus, but with the rear-wheel drive balance and performance feel many enthusiasts miss in modern luxury cars. And the next Lexus on this list proves something surprising. Sometimes the biggest, most luxurious sedan Lexus makes can also become one of the most unbelievable bargains on the used market. Now, if you really want a car that looks and feels expensive, this might be the most surprising bargain on the entire list. The Lexus LS 460 was Lexus's flagship sedan. The car designed to compete with the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series. When new, these cars often sold for $70,000 to well over $80,000 depending on options. But today, many well-maintained examples can be found between $15,000 and $22,000, which means you're getting what was once a top-tier luxury sedan for the price of a used economy crossover. What makes the LS feel so expensive is the level of craftsmanship and ride quality. This car was engineered to be incredibly quiet and smooth. The suspension glides over rough pavement, the cabin insulation is outstanding, and many models include real wood trim, ultra-soft leather, power rear seats, and advanced comfort features that still feel high-end even by today's standards. Under the hood sits a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing about 386 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in rear-wheel drive models. The power delivery is silky smooth, and despite the car's size, it can reach 0-60 mph in around 5.4 seconds, which is impressive for a full-size luxury sedan focused on comfort. Another reason this car ages so well is Lexus's reputation for overbuilt engineering. The LS line has historically been one of the most reliable flagship luxury sedans ever built, and many owners report these cars reaching 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. However, there are a few things smart buyers should pay attention to. Earlier LS 460 models had issues with control arm wear and suspension components, though many of these were improved in later years. It's also important to check that regular maintenance has been done, because while the engine itself is extremely durable, repairs on a flagship luxury car can still be expensive if neglected. The sweet spot for buyers is generally 2013 to 16 models, after Lexus refreshed the design and improved refinement and technology. Who is this car perfect for? Someone who wants the full executive luxury experience, a big ultra-quiet sedan that feels like it should belong in a corporate parking garage or outside a luxury hotel, but can now be purchased for a fraction of its original price. And the next Lexus on this list might be even more interesting for budget buyers because it delivers that same Lexus comfort and reliability, but in a package that's even cheaper to buy and maintain. If the LS was about pure luxury and the GS balanced luxury with performance, the Lexus IS 350 is the Lexus for buyers who want something that looks sporty, feels premium, and is still surprisingly reliable in the long run. When this generation S350 came out, it quickly became one of the most aggressive-looking sedans Lexus had ever built. With the sharp spindle grille, angular headlights, and wide stance, it still looks modern even today. When new, these cars typically sold for around $40,000 depending on options, but on the used market now, many examples fall into the $15,000 to $20,000 range, sometimes even less with higher mileage. Under the hood is another version of Lexus's proven 3.5-liter V6, producing about 306 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed automatic AWD or 8-speed automatic RWD transmission. The engine is well known for its durability, smooth power delivery, and relatively low stress compared with turbocharged competitors. On the road, the IS 350 feels noticeably sportier than the ES. The steering is tighter, the chassis is more responsive, and the car feels more planted through corners. Yet it still maintains the quiet, refined feel that Lexus owners expect. Inside, especially in F-Sport trims, the cabin feels upscale and driver-focused. You'll often find bolstered sport seats, aluminum trim, a digital gauge cluster inspired by the Lexus LFA, and high-quality materials throughout the cabin. It's one of those interiors that still feels expensive even after several years of use. Reliability is another strong point. The 2GR V6 platform used in this car has been around for years and is widely known for long-term durability. With proper maintenance, many owners report these cars easily reaching 200,000 miles. Typical things to watch for are normal wear items like brake components, suspension bushings, and tires, especially if the car was driven aggressively. The sweet spot years are generally 2016 through 2019, after Lexus updated technology and refinement slightly. Who is this car perfect for? Someone who wants a luxury sedan that looks sharp, feels sporty, and still carries Lexus-level reliability. It's ideal for buyers who want to feel like they're driving something premium without stepping into the expensive maintenance territory that many German sports sedans bring. And the final Lexus on this list might actually be the most underrated luxury bargain of them all. A car that combines Lexus comfort, strong reliability, and one of the lowest ownership costs in the entire luxury sedan segment. If you want a Lexus that feels expensive and saves money every time you drive it, the Lexus ES 300h might be one of the smartest luxury buys on the used market today. When this car was new, it usually sold for around $40,000 a park, positioning it as a comfortable mid-size luxury hybrid. But today, many used examples can be found between $13,000 and $18,000, which is remarkable considering how refined and efficient it still feels. What makes the ES 300h feel so premium is the smoothness of the hybrid powertrain. Instead of a traditional V6, this model uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Lexus's hybrid system, producing a combined 200 horsepower through an electronically controlled CVT transmission. The real advantage isn't speed, it's refinement and efficiency. The transition between electric and gasoline power is incredibly smooth, and around town the car often glides silently on electric power alone. Combined fuel economy is typically around 40 miles per gallon, which is outstanding for a comfortable mid-size luxury sedan. Inside, the experience is almost identical to the ES 350, soft leather seating, real wood trim, excellent sound insulation, and a ride quality focused on comfort. The cabin remains quiet and relaxed even on long highway drives, which is exactly what many Lexus buyers want. Reliability is another major advantage. Lexus hybrids have proven to be extremely durable over time. The hybrid battery systems in many Toyota and Lexus models regularly last well over 150,000–200,000 miles, and the overall drivetrain is known for low mechanical stress because the electric motor assists the gasoline engine. Of course, there are a few things buyers should still check. Make sure the hybrid battery health is good, and confirm that the cooling system and hybrid system maintenance have been properly serviced. Fortunately, these cars generally have a very strong reliability reputation. The best years to look for are typically 2014 through 2017, when Lexus improved some early software calibration and refinement. Who should buy the ES 300h? Someone who wants luxury comfort, incredible fuel economy, and the long-term reliability Lexus is known for. It's especially great for commuters who want a premium car that doesn't punish them at the gas pump. Luxury cars usually lose value because buyers fear expensive repairs as they age. But Lexus built its reputation on something different: durability, smooth engineering, and long-term reliability. That's exactly why many of these sedans still feel refined and expensive even after a decade on the road. For smart buyers, that creates a rare opportunity. You can drive a quiet, comfortable luxury sedan with premium materials and a strong reputation for reliability, while paying the price of a basic used commuter car. If you enjoy discovering luxury cars that still deliver a high-end experience without the high-end ownership headaches, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, because there are still plenty of hidden bargains in the used luxury market most buyers completely overlook.